Yeah, so it's a good spot today. Seems like there's more and more people coming in right now, a little bit more than earlier, so it's filling up a little bit more. So yeah, let's go, let's go. Let's go. All right, we got a lot of acts today. We got a lot of hip hop and all of that. All right, let's go. All right.
Oh yeah.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, we having some fun tonight. Whoa. Wow.
All right.
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
We sing on the mind already. Running up the time, the money flows like a fairy. Mommy, come on the weather. So let's sit on the jetty. Let's go.
All right.
Yo, better get me leader. Who's friends with Amina? Shorty pulled up with Lisa. All about Jason Green. All about Patron. Until she ordered a bunch of Vita. Then a favorite playlist. She was sick to it. I'm not a minute like a gallery. My mother said this, I don't know, she be heading the better than whatever she wanted. Baby, thought I'd make some good cause I'm hard-headed. So far, I'm getting. Leave up the killer shot. Shot. That line is so sudden. I had a little coffee for the waitress. Couple shots up tequila. Pop a couple Modelo's. Bring Corona to our table. Pull it up. Bring a shot of Patron. Chase the whistle with the
All right.
Let's go. Yeah. Shots to Tina Torres on this one. Yeah.
So we got the big boat coming through, the big barge. Check it out. Let's check it out. Because I haven't seen it yet since I've been here. So I don't know how often these boats come in. But that thing is huge. Check it out. That's pretty dope. We're going to get up there as quick as possible because I really like us to see that. Let's go. Pretty cool. Let's check out some of these boats here. Yeah, so seeing that barge is pretty dope. That thing is huge. I guess that's a barge. If I'm wrong, correct me, but I think it's a barge. Pretty awesome. Super awesome. Double skin 54, it says. Got the jet skis going on today. Pretty cool. All right. Okay, let's go.
Looking at you represent my name, you come for hip-hop. Pull me on, I call him out, one for hip-hop. Sitting in the trenches, weighing on the world. All I need is a mic and a voice and they're done. The truth is, music has changed. I never had issues with new kids. These rap categories nominate them as best. I turn bias. They don't want to challenge their pens like that. I'm John Q when you boys don't get hard like that. Yo, I shattered dreams and saw vanity. Actually, I'm animated, passionate. A pack of 16s with ease. Passing them seeds like brief. I'm a beast when I'm rapping, huh? Trust me, I won't forget that. Keep it real and I respect that. The underdog called me, you know how? And now we're dead. Savage and I'm firing the rappers you're admiring. Doesn't matter if it's global or rappers in my environment. I am in. I spit fire, call the firemen. For hip hop, tell these boys to retire then. Rican! Hold on, before you get into that last song, I want to let everybody know before I get into this last record. Follow me everywhere at Trey Pearson, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. And on that note, I have to keep it real with y'all.
All right, a lot of acts today. A lot going on here. Elizabeth.
This is for the left side. This is for the right side. This is for worldwide. I'm from the city where the greedy resides. Inside the country where the rich can divide between brown and black. Ain't worth this and building walls that. The suits take the truth just to push it aside. Hiding behind the algorithm cause the watches collapse. Of course we let it slide.
Despierte urgente. No se deje distraer.
Right here, here's the sign. There was a lot of people here before, so I couldn't get over here. But yeah, you have the Elizabeth right here. The red carpet. It all starts here, Elizabeth.
Just to hide your eyes because they know. Tell P-Rock to kick rocks when I say 10 toes down on my trap blocks. That's flip flops for these trunks.
Díselo.
Never saw this a dream, they all bought it. Me gente thought that he was forced till they got the boy.
Alright.
Never bother me with who's side of who. Who's getting endorsed by who's getting divorced from whoever was getting caught. They taking us by force. Pulled out of cars, shot in the face. Killed them for sport, not even a chance of grace. It's a disgrace. Insert that sing along. They gentrified the ghetto. Why not deport all the murderers and pedos?
Esto es por nuestra cultura.
They don't get it. I standing outside of course like protesters standing outside of a must protect the children. My father's a timid, leaving every day for work. Looking over their shoulders, practically hidden. Who are we kidding? They getting nasty. I'm on this rapid kiss the separation from husbands and wives. And I'm just pledging this house for being quiet. I'm thinking of other people in Palestine. So go and do a genocide.
Quítense la vida de los ojos.
Let's go, let's go. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. Let's go, let's go.
The only thing stronger than haters loving down is that.
Que Dios nos proteja.
Aplauso para Rican. ¡Que se oiga Puerto Rico! ¡Seguimos! Oye, vamos a seguir el party ahora. Tengo un par de hermanos aquí que vienen desde el Bronx, New York. Son boricuas también, son orgullosos también. ¿A usted le gustan el merengue? ¿A usted le gustan la salsa? Mi gente, make some noise for Miguel and John Q.
¡Atención! Por favor, pongan mucha atención. ¡Atención! Necesitamos que todos se reporten a la pista de baile. Ha llegado el momento. Ha llegado tu dúo favorito. El dúo del momento.
Ok, échense para acá. Baila boricua, para acá. Todo boricua con la mano arriba. A bailar, a bailar. Here we go. La bandera para arriba, vamos, representando a boricua.
All right, the merengue. I like the merengue stuff. I used to love DJing the merengue.